Alright guys, so I have a new project I've been working on. Not really new though, because it's been like, I don't know, over a year now. Some of you guys know this already, but yeah, I've been working on this. Not non-stop, but it's been on my mind and I've been toying around with something for a while. So yeah, gonna talk about that in a second. First though, I thought of a trick yesterday. I don't think I've ever seen it done, so I'm gonna kick a couple around, see if it's possible, and then I'll talk about the box. All right, so I think it's possible. Not really sure how to word this trick. I think it's, picture a fakie backside heel flip, and then you turn your body an extra 180. So I'm gonna try that, but into a 5-0 or a backside disaster. Not really sure yet, gonna keep playing around with it.
Yes, y'all. Don't stop. But once you y'all, you don't stop.
That was it right there. I think I'm gonna go for whatever it's called, into a backside disaster. I think that'll be the easiest one, and then maybe after or another day I'll learn variations. We'll see. Definitely a weird one. It's like I can get close one try and then the next try just not even flick. Doesn't even look like I'm trying that trick.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Yes, y'all. You don't stop. But once you y'all, you don't stop.
Oh, damn. I can't believe that. I mean, I'm sure that looked terrible, but I did it. I'm psyched, man. Just in time too. I ripped through my shoe completely. All right, I'm gonna kick around a couple more just to see if I can get a cleaner one. This grip is completely destroyed. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, so some of you know already I've been working on starting a wheel company. Got this whole box full of just wheels I've been trying throughout the year, giving them out to people, and just so many wheels here. Just so many wheels. I got to the park like 2 days ago with this set right here, and within like 15 seconds I knew it. I could just tell. And yeah, just beyond psyched to share it with you guys, and I got a bunch of cool ideas for the future. So yeah, just figure I'd keep you guys in the loop what was going on. And, all right, that's it. Yeah, more to come with that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.